Welcome to the world's most advanced facility, transforming raw buffalo hides into high-value global luxury leather goods. The process begins as thousands of salted raw skins arrive for meticulous inspection and initial chemical preparation. Robotic systems handle the heavy lifting as hides enter the soaking phase to restore their natural moisture. Priming chemicals are introduced to effectively remove hair and open up the fiber structure of the hides.
Witness the full industrial journey and hit the subscribe button now for more amazing high-tech factory tours.
Precision fleshing machines strip away unwanted biological tissue to ensure a uniform thickness across the entire skin. The splitting process separates the premium top grain from the lower split layer for different industrial uses.
Tanning transforms the perishable organic skin into a durable, stable material that will never rot or decay.
Chemical engineers monitor the balance of the tanning vats to ensure the leather achieves maximum structural strength. The sammying machine exerts tons of pressure to dehydrate the leather before it proceeds to final grading. Expert graders categorize each hide based on surface quality, determining which will become top-tier luxury fashion items. Computer-controlled shaving ensures that the leather meets the exact thickness specifications required for high-end designer handbags.
Controlled drying is mandatory to prevent the fibers from becoming too brittle or losing their natural suppleness.
In the dyeing hall, leather absorbs deep colors and essential oils to achieve a soft, buttery texture.
The staking process mechanically stretches the leather to break the internal stiffness and create an incredibly flexible finish.
Automated sprayers apply specialized finishes that protect the leather from water stains and everyday wear and tear.
This precision laser measurement provides the exact square footage, which is critical for international pricing and stock management.
Advanced CNC cutters minimize waste while producing the complex shapes needed for high-value automotive and fashion industries.
The final transition to high-value products often requires the meticulous touch of world-class human artisanal craftsmanship. The result is a multi-billion-dollar market of durable luxury items that represent the pinnacle of manufacturing.
Enzymes are used during the bating phase to make the final leather more pliable and receptive to.
Sustainability is key, as the facility recycles 90% of the water used in the tanning process. High-speed abrasive wheels create a luxurious soft texture by gently sanding the top surface of the leather.
Smart sensors ensure the leather reaches a perfect 14% moisture content for optimal long-term durability. Heated hydraulic presses can stamp unique textures onto the leather, providing a distinct look for premium brands.
Spectrophotometry ensures that every batch of dyed leather perfectly matches the designer's requested color and tone.
Finished rolls are cataloged and shipped to global fashion capitals to be turned into iconic luxury goods.
Buffalo leather is prized for its thickness and durability, which is significantly higher than standard cowhide. The journey from factory to fashion house begins with innovative designs that utilize buffalo leather's unique properties.
Massive solar installations provide clean energy to power the hundreds of heavy machines required for leather processing.
Precise weight measurements are the first step in calculating the perfect chemical ratios for the soaking phase.
While most of the factory is automated, and traditional oversight ensures that no hides get tangled during rotation.
Removing natural buffalo fats is essential to allow the tanning chemicals to penetrate the skin's dense core.
Vacuum drying provides a superior flat finish and helps to maintain the leather's overall size and shape. Rigorous stress tests guarantee that the leather will withstand years of use without losing its premium quality. High-speed imaging helps researchers understand the biomechanical properties of buffalo skin for better industrial processing techniques. Chrome-free tanning options are available for sustainable brands looking for the lowest possible ecological impact products.
Maintaining a spotless environment prevents cross-contamination of colors and chemicals during the sensitive dyeing production stages.
Passing down decades of industrial knowledge ensures that the quality of production remains consistent for future generations.
The final touch of branding adds the immense value that defines these $10,000 luxury collections.
Safety and precision are the core pillars of training for the hundreds of skilled factory workers here.
Precise monitoring of reclaimed water ensures that the facility's discharge remains completely safe for the local ecosystem. Hand finishing techniques bring out the natural beauty and texture of buffalo leather for high-end architectural applications.
Efficient dispatch operations ensure that finished goods reach the international global markets without any significant logistics delays. Ethical sourcing of raw materials is a key pillar of the factory's commitment to global sustainability.
Regular replacement of wear parts ensures that the high-speed machines continue to produce the highest quality seams.
Proper lubrication is vital for the smooth and reliable operation of the factory's extensive and complex robotics.
Rigorous finals Feigerist Stands Dactorist Testing is
The massive solar array is a testament to the factory's commitment to clean and renewable energy. Innovation in chemistry allows the factory to reduce its reliance on traditional and potentially harmful industrial chemicals.
Precision laser technology provides permanent traceability for every high-value sheet that leaves the specialized factory floor.
Specialty coatings enhance the natural properties of buffalo leather, making it suitable for high-performance outdoor luxury products.
Laser-guided vehicles manage thousands of pallets with zero errors, ensuring that every global order is accurate.
Advanced chemistry is used to break down the byproduct into its core components for high-value uses. Even in this high-tech facility, human craftsmanship is still used for the final details of premium goods.
Spectrophotometry ensures that the color of the leather remains consistent across thousands of square feet today.
Underground tanks store millions of gallons of rainwater, providing a reliable source for the factory's cleaning.
Precise weight measurements are mandatory for international shipping to meet customs regulations and ensure customer satisfaction.
Monitoring the health of the livestock supply chain is essential for ensuring the highest quality raw.
Precision mixing ensures that every batch of dye contains the exact balance of nutrients for optimal. High-speed imaging is used to optimize the movements of the robotic fleet and reduce overall energy. Investing in employee health is a priority for the facility, which views its workforce as its asset. Maintaining a spotless environment within the drying chambers is essential to prevent any contamination of leather. The factory tracks its overall environmental impact to ensure it remains a carbon-negative operation for the final presentation is key for the factory's high-end products, which are sold in the world's boutiques. A powerful data center is the brain of the factory, managing millions of data points every hour.
Preventative maintenance is the key to preventing any production delays in this high-volume and high-tech facility.
Rigorous testing of dyes ensures they are safe for the skin and completely biodegradable in the sustainable design extends to the employee areas, providing a peaceful and green environment in the industrial. Final seal represents a guarantee of quality and sustainability for customers around the entire world.
Mixing fibers with eco-friendly resins allows for the production of durable and sustainable components for modern.
Industrial sewing machines create high-strength seams that can withstand the extreme pressures found in large plants.
The factory promotes a circular economy by accepting back used products and recycling them into new.
Precision measurement is essential during the development of new products to ensure they meet all technical specifications. Wind energy provides a reliable source of power for the factory's 24-hour-a-day operations. Encouraging continuous learning is part of the factory's commitment to building a highly skilled and knowledgeable. Precise monitoring of water quality ensures that the facility's discharge is completely safe for the ecosystem. Hand finishing techniques bring out the natural beauty and texture of buffalo leather for high-end architectural applications.
Efficient dispatch operations ensure that finished goods reach the international global markets without any significant logistics.
Access to the core research and development areas is strictly controlled to protect the facility's proprietary technologies. Real-time control allows operators to adjust drum rotation for optimal chemical penetration across different hide batches. Artificial intelligence scans every sheet to identify microscopic flaws that the human eye might accidentally miss.
Reclaiming industrial salt reduces operational costs and minimizes the facility's overall chemical waste and environmental footprint.
Tensile strength tests confirm that the buffalo leather can support immense weight without breaking or deforming. From deep browns to vibrant blues, and the leather is available in an endless array of premium colors.
High-performance air filtration maintains a safe and clean working environment for the factory's dedicated, skilled technicians.
Luxury leather must maintain its natural scent while being compatible with the world's finest designer fragrances. The rarest and most expensive hides are stored in climate-controlled vaults to protect their immense financial value. Nanotechnology coatings provide permanent water resistance without changing the natural breathability or feel of the leather.
Edge burnishing creates a smooth, rounded finish that is a hallmark of high-quality, handcrafted leather accessories.
Maintaining the mechanical transport systems is vital to ensure a continuous flow throughout the multi-stage process.
Microscopic analysis reveals the cellular integrity of the leather, ensuring it meets the world's toughest standards.
Global demand for buffalo leather continues to grow as consumers seek out durable and ethical luxury alternatives. Every sheet is tagged with a unique digital identifier for permanent traceability from farm to final store. Providing healthy food for employees is part of the facility's commitment to social and corporate responsibility. Advanced wastewater treatment ensures that every drop of water leaving the factory is clean and safe.
Successful shipment marks the end of a complex journey that begins with science and ends with luxury. From raw skin to billion-dollar products, and this facility sets the global standard for modern leather manufacturing excellence.
The final seal represents a promise of quality and a commitment to the world's finest leather products.
This has been an inside look at the incredible modern process you have never, ever seen before.